For our first episode, samahan niyo ako mag-ayos ng bago naming opisina na dati pinapangarap ko lang. Hello everyone, I'm Jeromil, Principal Architect of JBES, and welcome to my Arquitecto journey. Share ko lang before, nag-work na ako sa architectural firm and also naging architect din ng governor namin dito sa Quezon Province. Hanggang sa nagkaroon na din ako ng lisensya. I took a leap of faith and become the company owner. The journey was very challenging. Kailangan mo maging matibay at maniwala sa sarili mo na kaya mo. But thanks be to God who leads us to victory. Nag-start lang din ako before, tumatambay sa cafe, commute at walang masyadong resources. Marami din akong kinailangang isakripisyo in order na makapagpakilala since I was the first one who entered construction industry in our family. And guess what? Everything is worth having. And I went all in sa journey ko na ito. And fast forward to 2025, meron na akong brand which is JBES Design and Construction Services. And through time, lumalaki ang business, marami na ang nagtitiwala. So I decided to occupy our cafe. And grabe, sobrang overwhelming ang magpatakbo ng opisina, pero fulfilling. And I'm very much grateful sa bawat taong nakakasama ko at nakapalibot sa company ko. Tara, pasilip ko sa inyo ang bago nating opisina. And ayan na siya, hindi pa kompleto, and I just maximize a small space. Not really perfect pa, pero malayo na sa naumpisahan natin. So ayan, kinuwento ko lang, and thank you sa pagsubaybay today. And I'm so excited to share pa sa inyo ang journey pa namin as we grow, learn, and hustle. So please don't forget to follow, like, and share para sa part 2 natin. See you sa next vlog.